The Shillong Press Club elected its new president, Maya L. Siangshai, on Friday. The election was held after 14 years. After counting the votes, Maya L. Siangshai, Maupur journalist, got 91 votes, while Joe Thank You scored second with 67 votes, and Raphael Warjari received only 6 votes. Gershom Hat of Petngor received 113 votes and was elected as the treasurer of the club, while Martin Nongklau of Batasi TV received 50 votes.
Confident in me to be your new president, and I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club, a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the northeast and in India as a whole.